It is a widely held belief in today's culture that young women marry wealthy men for the sole purpose of amassing fortune for themselves and their families. It would appear that getting rich is not all that difficult, would it not? We commonly hear rags to riches, someone who went from poor to wealthy. Even if many people go through difficult times, whether because of poverty, their upbringing, a disorder, or abuse, it's wrong to limit their ambitions and expectations because of this. It's up to an individual to decide whether to continue living a miserable life or to change it. Humans can make this choice. In this video, I'll make financial success seems like an easy job. TikTok and Instagram provide a global audience for your talents, and Facebook enables global connection. Joining this new world costs nothing. Only those that don't try aren't succeeding. Technology can help us manage our workload. Every 21 seconds, a new millionaire is born, and every day, a new billionaire is born. Forbes calls Kylie Jenner the youngest self-made billionaire. She's apparently richer than Mark Zuckerberg at a younger age, who was 23 when he hit that mark. Kylie isn't the only one making milk during the pandemic. When people recognize this, they're more likely to make financial improvement. By the end of this video, you'll know why so many people are getting money and how you can too. Here are 10 ways to become wealthy quickly. Thanks for watching our channel, where our financial success depends on you. 1. In our generation, those of us who are 30 or younger, hardware and software may be hard for pennies on the dollar. There are many examples, but smartphones are one. Consider how far we've gone when you can carry the world for the price of a lunch, $100. You'll get free internet-connected cameras that would cost thousands independently. Any of these devices can be swapped now. Join YouTube to improve your expertise, or LinkedIn or Upwork to obtain a job. TikTok and Instagram provide a global audience for your talents, and Facebook enables global connection. Joining this new world costs nothing. Only those that don't try aren't succeeding. Technology can help us manage our workload. 2. Huge teams are not a problem anymore, thanks to automation and software. Both the planet and the labor are being consumed by software, which is like driving automation. In that scenario, we need to make the most of that to our benefit. If you really want to, you can do practically anything on your own. You can alleviate stress by purchasing accounting software for $9.99 per month, which will remove the burden of responsibility from your shoulders. You could run an advertising campaign instead of having a sales team if you wanted to save money. You may generate instructional content instead of promoting it and share it online so that people from all over the world can view it. As an alternative to making your own by hand products, you might outsource it to a company that handles production, packing, and delivery on your behalf. Take a look around you. From the clothes you're wearing to the device you're viewing. Practically everything in your house is a product of the mass production process. It also has a connection to the food that you are now consuming. Your capacity to make effective use of the sources available to you contributes to the overall improvement in your market value. 3. Stocks are popular these days. Many people want to get rich easily. Investing in stocks is easier than ever. Putting measures in place to develop your financial holdings when you're not actively monitoring them is a key step in gaining wealth. Real estate is the safest and most reliable way to do this, but residences can be pricey. The second easiest strategy is market-linked funds. Since you buy from businesses, you might as well invest in them and negotiate a profit-sharing contract. Growing up, buying stock was hard and time-consuming. This transaction required a broker. They made you think this wasn't anything when it was. You can do it yourself. Watch the markets and examine the charts. Because of cryptocurrencies, this theory is widespread knowledge. You can also invest in the foreign currency market, where shares from successful firms like Apple, Amazon, Tesla, and others are sold. All it takes to start investing in those companies with your money is one tap on your screen, and $10 or less in total cost. You don't have to buy a full share to get the rewards. Just invest whatever you're comfortable with and see your money grow as these companies expand. Any investor can profit. Standard & Poor's 500 Index is a collection of the 500 best-performing U.S. corporations. It has never missed more than 10 appearances in a single year in the past 30 years. 4. Technological advancement is accelerating. The first widespread use of the internet occurred 20 years ago. These pandemic, a lot of works from on-site moved to online platforms. We abandoned traditional media consumption in favor of online platforms, such as YouTube and TikTok. Other folks do cool things there. Vloggers may be found just about anywhere. This indicates that the effects of each new technology revolution give you the opportunity to increase your fortune. If you ride the tide of change, you will receive everything. You need to gain an understanding of what is going on and pull yourself in a position to succeed. How many of you are interested in gaining additional knowledge regarding your finances? Now, this channel is going to be of assistance to you. Maybe you just need to do your part. 5. Everyone can earn fame and build communities. Only the wealthy enjoyed freedom when I was young. They'd choose the next big artist, TV guest, and movie star. Today, it's easier than ever to become famous. Wealth captivates. If you can't get others to notice you, hire trolls. In the past, we only knew the entertainment business. Influencers and content providers were unfamiliar. These terms are gaining clarity. Creating billboards and fresh material are two ways to promote. When these influencers learn they can sell their own goods and pocket the profits, everyone loses. You saw Kanye West go from owning money to owning 100% of Yeezy. Kylie Jenner gained billions from her beauty kit. This shows that one need not start rich to grow prosperous. Let's take a break. Since nobody can predict what lies ahead for us, we might as well enjoy ourselves while we can. If you desire a life that is everything you've ever dreamed of, then you should like and subscribe to this channel to achieve that. Add your own comments to the discussion. 6. We live in humankind's most wealthy period. There's never been a more exciting time to live in human history. Now, staying poor is a choice. Everything's plentiful. Obesity, not famine, is a leading US killer. You have unlimited freedom of movement and access to an infinite range of entertainment options. Even when horrible things are happening, you can sleep safely at night. You're probably secure from most of them now. This much cash never existed. Earlier transactions involved just reaching out and taking a share of the money flow. Wait, what? 7. Want to be rich? Only 1/10 people are wealthy. There are 22 million millionaires in the US. People believe they must be special to have a God-given talent or aptitude for wealth. Misperception. If you're not one of the 100 richest persons per 1,000, you're not rich. If your city has 200,000 people, 20,000 will be wealthy. Why aren't you one of 20,000? Most economically challenged people are unaware that anyone who is motivated and able to make sacrifices can become wealthy, despite the fact that most people prioritize their health over amassing wealth, which may surprise you. 7 years are needed to amass wealth. Wherever you live, skin color, gender, and parentage all play an influence. 7 years is usual. 8. Repetitive timelines are annoying. We must have no work or income limitations. People have always been rooted. Field to factory to office. In human history, this partnership has never ended. Moving to a low-cost country can save jobs and money. You'll be 3 to 4 times richer and able to work from anywhere, making life more interesting. Companies recruit globally. It implies a smaller payer disparity. Kenyan senior developers can work abroad, make money remotely. Developers earn more in the US or Europe than at home. Joblessness has always existed. Farm, factory, office. This chain has never been broken. Moving to a cheaper country can save jobs. You'll be 3 to 4 times richer and can work from any place. Globally, companies recruit. Regional pay gaps narrow. Senior developers from Kenya might find work. Developers earn more in the US and Europe than at home. Reconsider it. 9. Student loans? I refuse. This idea gave us access to cheap or free premium education. Only royals could send their children to church and teach them to read and write, making them superior to peasants. Google is the answer of excessive college tuitions that enslaved youngsters with student debt. YouTube offers a free PhD-level education in finance and investments. 1 billion individuals will be educated cheaply or for free. Smart people used to only teach rich people how to expand their wealth. Now you have a YouTube app. Instead of paying a substandard instructor $1,000 per week, free advice from their professionals can help you move from poverty to prosperity. The internet is transforming schooling. Riches no longer require posh schools. Free public education can help. 10. Making money costs nothing. Poor people say you need money to produce money, which is false. If that's your belief system, you've undermined any chance of success. Today, you can make money without investing. Free stuff, time, effort, and knowledge can be traded. Without money, you don't have what it takes. Anyone with money can make money. You buy and rent a property. You're an entrepreneur. 88% of new millionaires are self-made, so don't say they were born rich or had connections. Poor, they started from scratch. Time, effort, and knowledge are exchanged for money, which is reinvested. Silicon Valley has glamorized this concept. Investors made a mistake funding your company. Don't celebrate fundraising. How are you celebrating a company sale? Raising money shows you couldn't expand organically. Hard work and perseverance will get us to wealth. Show no mercy, please, and business is business. Remember that. Now that we understand how simple it is to achieve financial success, it is time to take action. That's the sequence I need to finish up. I really value your attention and participation. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to share your thoughts and opinions by posting a comment below.